The new weapons channel takes a look at weapons models from around the world, and today we will look at the Russian Il-76MD-90A military transport aircraft. The Il-76MD-90A military transport aircraft made its maiden flight at the factory airfield complex in Ulyanovsk. This is a newly built aircraft. The total number of aircraft lifted into the air in 2023 is unknown. A little earlier it was reported that the next serial heavy military transport aircraft Il-76, built in the interests of the Russian Defense Ministry, was manufactured and handed over. The military Il-76MD-90A transport is a profound development of the legendary Soviet Il-76. The aircraft received a new engine, improved wing, glass cabin, has an increased flight range and cargo capacity. In fact, it is a new airplane meeting all modern requirements, which will become the basis of Russian transport aviation. Previously, the crews of military transport aviation performed instrument flights in difficult meteorological conditions on Il-76 aircraft, with strong crosswinds, precipitation, low clouds and limited visibility. Landing approach was performed by pilots using instruments without visual landmarks. The main task of these flights is to maintain the level of crews training to perform flights in any weather conditions at any airfield, as well as to increase the qualification level of young pilots and to train young crews under minimum weather conditions. See all about the U.S. Air Force's promising B-21 Raider stealth bomber at the link, and see you on the channel.